Children, Andrew. Raven, Prithvi and Raven, please come here.
Lungs working hard.
Good, good.
Our lungs become very big. Those also, our lungs become very small. Thank you.
Water pressure will rotate the turbine. The water pressure will rotate the turbine and it will generate the electricity and it will generate electricity and it sends.
Sanjana of 8th standard, please come down. Agni, are you ready for that?
Uncle. We bought the real lungs and heart of a goat. Lungs are the soft and spongy organisms in our body. If the lungs will be not proper for any person, they cannot survive in the society. And next, heart. Heart is also known as pumping machine. Heart pumps without rest, always every second. Some people will get heart diseases by some infections, weakness, poor nutrition and everything. Thank you.
My name is Sanjana from 9th standard. My project is an practically showing off human body parts, each and every part in detail. In the human body, the first main part is a brain. Here the parts are present. Brain is helpful in memorizing all things, to understand or to give response to any situation or giving any message to do that in voluntary movements. And next, eyes. Eyes help us to see the view, and tongue help us to chew the food. Then the food will go here. Fourth one is aorta. Aorta helps in to chew the food after to go the stomach. And fifth one, heart.
Children, don't make noise. Hey boy.
Heart.
Raven.
Heart is a main part that are present in our body. It's going to beat 1 minute 72 times. If you're going to alive, it is going to beat. And heart present 2 arteries. Right and 9 are left and right. Here it's going to present. Left and right lungs. Lungs help us to inhale and exhale the oxidation. When we inhale the oxygen is going to enter here. These red color veins are called oxidation, blue color veins are called deoxidation. Heart helps us to collect the deoxidation blood and to store in the right atrium. Liver is going to present upright of the lungs. Chickadee. Kidneys help to filter the blood and the waste will go in the form of the urine. Urine is going to from superior vena cava. Here it's going to be present. The upside part is superior vena cava and the end of it called inferior vena cava. Here in abdomen it's going to present. This is known as small intestine and this boundary this is known as the large intestine. Small intestine can be worked as to observe the amount certain amount of food like carbohydrates, vitamins and minerals. Large intestine are like some amount elements like water and electrolytes. In the blood will go and the remaining waste will go in the form of the urine. 17 is adrenal gland. Here it's going to be present. Urinary bladder 18. This is the urinary bladder. In waste part we can go in the form of the urine. Spleen 19. Here is going to present. These veins are called spleen. Here, spleens work as a RBC cells. Dead RBC cells can be collected here and decomposed here. 20 is urethra. Here, the urine can be passed in the form of urine. This is called urethra. These are the all parts present in our body system. Thank you. My project name is electricity, which converts to kinetic energy. All the basic quaternary shockwave.
ఉండండి ఇప్పుడే ఓకేనా
Human body. Here one line.
హలో స్టాండ్ ప్రాబ్లం
Distillation is the final use to separate components from the liquid mixture. When the liquid is heated, it converts into vapor. When the vapor combines inside the condenser will cool down the vapor. When the vapor will cool down, it converts back into liquid that in the form of water is converted. Examples of liquids we can separated by distillation are